Hello guys, today I'm going to show you or tell you some methods that you can use to fix Throne and Liberty's server issues. So if you're having issues with the server and you cannot connect to Throne and Liberty, so what you can do is, first of all, you can check their servers, like the server of Throne and Liberty. What you'll have to do is open your browser and search for Throne and Liberty server status, and you'll see this playthroneandliberty.com. So you'll have to press on that, and you'll go to this website, and if you scroll down, you'll see the servers that they have. So you'll have to select the region that you're playing from. If you're from Europe, simply select Europe, and you'll see the server status. If it is down or busy or full or in maintenance, you'll know that the problem is from the developer's end. So after that, what you can do is you can open Steam and then verify the game files. So simply open Steam and then right click on the Throne and Liberty icon, go to properties, go to install files, and then you'll see this verify integrity of the game files. So simply press this and it will verify the game files, and hopefully if you have any issues, it will fix it altogether. Also, you can also try if you have automatic updates off. You can see if you have any pending updates or not, and if you have any pending updates, you should update it so that your game supports the latest version. So these are the methods. Other thing is you can do is you can simply restart your game and restart your device. Also restart your router. Sometimes it could be your router issue. So restarting your router would make the solution error go away. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.